Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Kojic skincare. If you are new in my channel, subscribe to my channel and give this video a young thumbs up, so whenever I upload a new video you can receive a notification. Look at my bead, it's very beautiful. I made this bead myself. Do you like it? Look at the earring, very beautiful. I made it myself. Now today I'll be showing you guys how to mix lightening cream and moisturizing cream, and it will glow your skin and give you that flawless skin. This cream is very good and effective. If you know you want to lighten up a little bit, you can use this cream. And if you want your skin, as in you want to moisturize your skin, use this cream. Is very good and effective. It has glow oil inside. I added beauty series and so many things inside. Let's go to our workstation. Don't let me waste much of your time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Let's go to our workstation. Welcome to my workstation. Those are my ingredients. I have my Baba the caracol cream here. It's very good for stretch mark. And I have my beauty series here. It's very good for glowing. Also my Jojoba is for glowing as well. And I have my Kojic tube. I have my Abba Skin Doctor here. Injection is very good. Also, I have my 3 beta cream here, and I have my Kojic acid powder. I have my Skin Freedom here, and I have my Moroccan oil as well. I also have my whitening glycerin and Collagen extra white serum. Can you see? Collagen extra white is very good and effective. And this is the base I want to use. St. Leaves Intensive Healing Strawberry Grapeseed Oil Body Lotion. Can you guys see it? It's very good. Intensive healing. Very good. Now let's get started. Now I'm taking 3 spoons of this. 3 spoons of this. And 1 tablespoon of whitening glycerin. 1 tablespoon of whitening glycerin. And 1 tablespoon of extra collagen white. 1 tablespoon of beauty series. 1 tablespoon of 3 beta cream. 1 tablespoon of tablespoon of Kojic clear cream. 1 tablespoon of Skin Freedom. This Skin Freedom is very good for your skin. It's good for reaction. If you have any reaction on your skin, the Skin Freedom will heal the reaction. And 1 tablespoon of Jojoba oil. And 1 tablespoon of Moroccan oil. Yeah, 1 tablespoon of Baba de caracol. 1 tablespoon. This is stretch mark cream. And 1 tablespoon of Kojic acid powder. Yeah, Kojic acid powder. Kojic acid powder. And you are using everything. This injection, Abba Skin Doctor injection. You are using everything. Pour everything inside. Pour everything inside. Everything. It's not much inside, it's very small. You pour everything inside now. This is my lightening and moisturizing cream. It's also healing cream. If you know you have damaged skin, if you want to repair your skin, use this lotion. It's very good. It's very good. This is what I made for my clients. I mix it for my clients. You mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well. So this is my lightening and moisturizing cream. It's also healing cream. If you want to use it for damaged cream, you can use it. If you know you have damaged skin, use this. So it give you back your color and lightening your skin a little bit. So if you see this video, if you see the video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.